Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start. First, confirm you're signed into the Notion workspace where the calendar will live and into the Google account that hosts events. Once logged in, choose whether you need a two-way sync or just a live embed, because that changes the tools you'll use. Next, enable calendar sharing or API access in Google Calendar settings so third-party services can connect. Make sure permissions allow reading or reading and writing. Depending on your sync choice, this prevents later access errors. Once you pick a connector, create the actual integration. In Zapier or Make, select Google Calendar as the trigger and Notion as the action, or grab the iCal URL for a one-way embed. Then map essential fields, event title, start and end times, and description, so Notion pages reflect calendar data properly. Test the flow with a simple event. Check that it creates or updates a Notion page with correct dates and content. If something fails, inspect the mapped fields first, because mismatches are the most. Finish by enabling the automation or saving the embed, and then observe a few sync cycles to confirm everything arrives correctly in Notion. Make sure your sync schedule matches your needs. Some services poll every 5-15 minutes while iCal feeds refresh less often. If events look offset, check the time zone settings in both Google Calendar and Notion. And if syncing stops, reauthorize the connector, check for API rate limits, and confirm the calendar still has share permissions. Those fixes solve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.